Hi YouTube, welcome to Wespix. Today we've got this Chubb Cruiser. It's one with this square, it's not a rivet, but the square bar in the top, so it's a slightly later one. Here's the bitting on the key, very nice bitting. And as you can see, works a treat. It's all locked up. Going to be using a modified key with a wire that I just bent up this morning, and we're going to see if we can get it on film. Let's have a go. Right, so start at the front, just reasonable tension. Go through the pack, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think 4 set. These have got gates, false gates, so you have got to be a little bit delicate when lifting the levers. It inspired me to actually have a pick on one of these. I mean, I've had these for ages, but Cy Vickers picked one yesterday for his first time with a 2-in-1 tool, which yeah, they are quite a tough padlock to pick. I think 2-in-1s do sort of help a little bit. Yeah, not much, because you've still got to be very careful with them. You're very delicate. There's no point in just banging all the levers up to the top. I am planning on making a 2-in-1. I think Jason J is making a 2-in-1 at the moment for a cruiser. Reset all those, because that didn't actually feel very good. And there you go. Not bad going. It's a single pin or single lever picking is certainly my favourite thing to do. It's yeah, it takes quite a bit of practice, but as you can see, I'm pretty sure I've never even bothered to get a Chubb Cruiser on film, so that is a first for me. So I hope you like that, and thank you very much.